Hello everybody, I'm going to do a quick beehive inspection. Sorry for all the noise, it's a little bit windy and got the cars over on the street over there, so hopefully you can hear some of what I'm going to say. Oh boy, he's stuck. I'm busy sticking down the top cover here with propolis. It's really stuck down now. Yeah, they glued the edges of that real good. You can kind of see all along the edges here. Sticky glue. Oh. Well, there's the frame. It's full of cat brood and some honey on the edges, some nectar. A few bees walking around there with pollen on their legs. Pretty good. My perch hanger over here. Similar here. Some empty cells ready for new brood, but a lot of cat brood ready to hatch. So that's what we want to see. A few open cells with some smaller larvae in there as well. Mixture of different ages. See a couple of hatching brood. That's good. This is it. Full of pollen on that side. This one's mostly nectar on this side. You can see the next frame over is capped nectar. I won't pull that one out. What I expected on the edges is to be mostly honey stores from last year. That's what we've got in these last two frames. Similar to the center frames. This one's empty, waiting for new brood, I'd say. Oh my goodness, that's all nectar right there. Very heavy. Nectar and pollen. They've been busy on that frame. Collecting. Got a lot of alfalfa in bloom and plenty of pollen to find, so good. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at beehive number 2, see how things are coming along. They are sticking it down with propolis over here too. Well, the population has expanded quite a lot. It's probably time to put box number 2 into this hive. Take a look at a few frames and see how things look. Grab my hive tool and look here, see what's going on. Lots of propolis sticking everything together. It's hard to get these things apart. That's what I call a full brood frame. Both sides completely packed with capped brood. This is going to be a lot of bees coming in a few weeks. It's time to put the second box on this beehive. Population is going to really grow quickly here. So check a few more out here. This one's got, the center is capped brood, but the outsides have got more honey on them. Dead bees, look at one of those. Next frame over looks like mostly honey, so I'll leave that one alone. Wow, another one. And that side's got some drone at the bottom, some drone comb at the bottom. The other side is completely packed full capped brood. Wow, that's pretty amazing. I actually would like to, if it was not hard to do, remove that drone comb, because that's where the varroa mite are most likely to be present. Let me see if I can maybe extract a couple of those, inspect them. Yeah, sure enough, on there's a little brown speck varroa mite. Take another one out. That one looks pretty clean, no varroa on that one. A few varroa, not too many. So that's good. There's not too many. Another frame that I want to inspect is this edge frame, which is my open. I put an open frame to see if they draw drone comb there. We shall see what is going on. It's a little tight fit. So this one, the comb is definitely drone size cells. It's larger cells. They've only gotten 3/4 of it drawn at this point. That's pretty good for a little over a week, I guess. There are actually, I do see drone larvae in this section. So I will want to check back on this in about a week and a half or 2 weeks. This side is not got anything going on. I want to pull those drones out when they are capped. That's when the varroa mite are in there. So, all right, that looks pretty good. Until next time.